Welcome to MLT Education World. Today's video is related to the topic Shigella. Today's topic is Shigella. So, Shigella is gram-negative bacilli. It is the causative agent of bacillary dysentery. So, it's one of the important point. Bacillary dysentery, it is caused by Shigella. Then, dysentery. Dysentery, it is a condition in which blood-stained stool is released. So always remember difference between diarrhea and dysentery. Diarrhea is the frequent passage of stool, while dysentery is frequent passage of stool along with blood, presence of blood in dysentery cases. So dysentery, bacillary dysentery is caused by Shigella. Another one is there is amoebic dysentery, that is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. Always remember bacillary dysentery. If the question is bacillary dysentery, it is Shigella. So it's a gram-negative bacilli, causative agent of bacillary dysentery. And then we talk about what is dysentery. It is the frequent passage of blood-stained mucopurulent stool. Next is the characteristic features of Shigella. So they are non-motile, non-sporing and non-capsulated. Then fimbriae is present. So fimbriae, this helps for the attachment to various surfaces. So fimbriae helps in their attachment. Then next point is it is aerobic and facultative anaerobic. That is, they can grow in presence or absence of oxygen. Then this organism, it is named after Shigella in 1896, who isolated the first member of this genus. So that is why it is named as Shigella. Then next is the characteristic feature on McConkie agar. McConkie agar, they form colorless colony due to the absence of lactose fermentation. So always remember this Shigella, they produce a colorless colony in McConkie agar except Shigella soni. So Shigella soni, it is a late lactose fermenter. Always remember Shigella soni is late lactose fermenter. All others are NLF or non-lactose fermenter. And this Shigella soni, they give a light pink color colony. Next point is Shigella soni. It is already mentioned that Shigella soni is late lactose fermenter. So they form a pale pink color colonies. Next is the selective medium for Shigella. It includes DCA, XLD, Salmonella, Shigella agar. So in DCA, deoxycholate citrate agar, and also in Salmonella, Shigella agar. In these cases, Shigella will be seen as colorless. In XLD means xylose lysine deoxycholate. In XLD, there also this Shigella cannot ferment xylose or lysine, but due to the color of the medium, they appear as red in color. Then next is the enrichment broth. Enrichment broth used is selenite F broth. Always remember in this selenite F broth, F indicate feces. So due to the infection caused by this Shigella, sample taken it is feces. So selenite F broth, it is the enrichment broth used for the isolation of Shigella. Then selective medium include DCA, XLD, Salmonella, Shigella agar. Next is the biochemical reactions. First is indole. Indole test is variable. For some species it is negative, for some it is positive. Then MR test, it is positive. Then VP also negative, and citrate utilization test, it is also negative. Then next is TSI, triple sugar ion agar. In this case, glucose is fermented along with the production of acid but without gas. So these are the biochemical reactions related to Shigella. Next is the classification of this Shigella. So it is mainly classified into 4 types: Shigella dysenteriae, Shigella soni, Shigella flexneri and Shigella bovidii. So always remember 4 species are there: Shigella dysenteriae, Shigella soni, Shigella flexneri and Shigella bovidii. Among this, Shigella soni is the late lactose fermenter. They form a pale pink color colony. All others they are non-lactose fermenter and forms a colorless colonies. Then the major causative agent of dysentery, bacillary dysentery, it is Shigella dysenteriae. And this also produces a toxin named Shiga toxin. It is also one of the important point. The Shiga toxin is produced by Shigella dysenteriae. So once again, the important points related to Shigella, they are, first is it is a gram-negative bacilli, causative agent of bacillary dysentery. Then next point already we mentioned, they are the non-motile, non-sporing and non-capsulated. Then fimbriae is present and this fimbriae helps in their attachment to the surfaces. Then we talk about McConkie agar. They form a colorless colony except Shigella soni. It is a late lactose fermenter, so they form a pale pink color colony. Then we talk about the selective medium used for the isolation of Shigella. They are DCA, XLD, Salmonella Shigella agar. Then enrichment broth used is selenite F broth. Then talk about the biochemical reactions, and in that biochemical reaction, indole test is variable, MR positive, VP negative and citrate negative. And in TSI, glucose is fermented along with acid production but without any gas. Then the types of Shigella, that means Shigella soni, Shigella dysenteriae, Shigella flexneri and Shigella boydii. So among this, the most common form or the common causative agent of dysentery, bacillary dysentery, is Shigella dysenteriae. So it produces a toxin named Shigella toxin. So these are the points related to Shigella.